Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add chapters to a YouTube video. To add chapters to your YouTube video, the first thing you need to do is log into your YouTube account. Once you're logged in, go to YouTube Studio. You can find it by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Then choose YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Content. This will show you a list of all the videos you've uploaded to your channel. Find the video you want to add chapters to. Click on the pencil icon next to that video to open the video details page. Now scroll down to the description box. This is where you will add your chapter timestamps and titles. The first thing to remember is that your chapters must start with 0. If you don't start with 0, YouTube won't create the chapters automatically. So type 0 and then give it a title. This is usually something like Introduction or Start. After that, you add the next timestamp and title. For example, you could type 1:15 Getting Started or 3:30 Instructions. You can add as many chapters as you like, as long as each one has a valid timestamp and a short title. Also, make sure there are at least 3 chapters total, and each one must be at least 10 seconds long. YouTube won't create chapters if these rules are not followed. If everything is correct, just save your video details by clicking the Save button in the top right corner. Once you save the description, go to the video watch page. You should see the chapter marks on the progress bar of the video.